the description of the student table. Field means the columns. STID, STName, DOB are the columns available, and the corresponding data types are int, varchar, date. Null. I set these two fields not null at the time of create table command. So null is not allowed, and here default value is null in these two cases, but for STName I gave default value as a space, so it cannot be null. If you forget or if you are not entering the student name, it will assume an empty string there, so it cannot be null. Now let's see, if you want to modify the structure of a table. In this table student, I did not set primary key. Please revise the concept keys, primary key, candidate key and alternate key for this session. So primary key is not set now. I am going to set it after creation of the table. So how can we modify the table structure after creating it? That is alter table command. Alter table, it is also a DDL command. So alter table, give the table name. If you are going to add any new feature to the table, then you have to use the keyword add. And what I am going to add is primary key. So add space primary key in bracket which column we are going to make primary key. Here in this example, I want to make STID column as the primary key. So it is not set now. I am going to set it. See, after executing this command, once again if you type describe student, here you can see the difference. STID is set as primary key. It was not set earlier. So this is how we are modifying the existing structure of a table, alter table command. One more example, if you want to modify the data type of a column in a table, again you can use alter table command. How? With the keyword modify. Alter table student, modify which column and what is the change that you want. Earlier it is 30 and now we are going to set it as 40. So after executing it, you will be able to see the change. See, now STName column has increased its capacity to 40 from 30. So this is what alter table command is all about, and you can find more and more options in alter table command. Please refer the PDF document which we share. Now how can we insert values into the existing table? There is a command insert into. So type insert into and give the table name and mention the value, the row values that you want to insert. Here you can see one stands for student ID and this is the student name and this is the DOB. As you can see, it is showing the date as YYYYMMBD format. So after the insertion, how can we see the content from a table? Select star from student is the command to display the contents from a table. So you can get all the rows in the table if you type select star command. I am inserting one more row to this. This is the new value. And if you want to insert multiple rows, you can use commands like this. Insert into student values, the first set followed by the second set. Separate these two by comma and put the semicolon as usual. So now if you try select star from student, you will be able to see all the rows that we inserted now. Now I am trying to insert one more row with a different name and different DOB, but the stid is the same 1. Let's see whether it is possible. No, it shows an error. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Okay, so it will not allow this entry because we set stid column as the primary key. Primary key means that column cannot have duplicates, and our table has one entry corresponding to stid1. So if you try to enter one more row for the same stid, it will not allow this, and this is the rule or the constraint we call as primary key constraint. It will not allow null value and it will not allow duplicate values. Now if you want to use different options of select command comes with many options. Select star means it will show all the details, and select name, anyways it's an error, so sorry, select st name from student. It will display all the names alone, not the entire details. And if you want to if you suppose you had different names but some names were the same, if you want to eliminate duplicates in the list, you can use the command select distinct st name. It will eliminate the similar values in the display. Now select st name from student where st name like %a. So if you want to select some values matching against a particular pattern, here I typed %a. %a means all the st name that end with a. So these are the two names that satisfy the condition ends with a. Let's check. Yes, it is not ending. These two are not ending with a, so only these two end with a, so they are listed. And suppose if I type like a %, select st name from student where st name like a %. It will display all the names that start with a. So we have 3 results. Hope the like clause is clear. Now if you want to see the details of all the students who have born after 2000, and in our example all of them are having date of birth greater than this particular date, so all of them got selected. I'm making a modification in the command. Select star from student where DOB greater than, that means all those who born after 2001 February. So only 2 of them satisfy the condition. Let's check. This is not after February. This is not after 1st February. Only these 2 are after February. So they are now selected as per our criterion. So if you want to check any condition for DOB, that is possible like this. And if you want to check for a range, then there is a clause called between. So DOB between this and this. Only these 2 follow the condition. I think it is clear. Now there is one more function I am covering in this. It is count. Count star. Count star is an aggregate function. It is checking or counting the entries that follow the condition. So the same condition I typed here, and you saw only 2 of them follow this condition. So the count is 2. Select count star. Take the count of all the students who born between this and these dates. And from our example, only 2 of them follow the condition. So when we count 1, 2, the total count is 2. Let's modify it. Select count star from student. That means just count the entries, all the rows from the table student. So count star will count all the entries in the table student, and that is equal to 4. And the next one is sum function. This is one of the aggregate functions. Sum of STID from student. Let's see what are the STIDs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take the sum. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Let's see what is the output of this. Select sum of STID from student. Yes, it is showing 10. So this is to just add the values in the given column. Now we have seen how to create table and how to insert values and how to select or access data from the table. Now let's see how can we modify the contents in the table. For that we can use the command update. Update is a DML like insert. So insert and update are falling under the category DML because it is manipulating or modifying the contents in the table. So update student set. What you want to modify, that you have to mention after set clause. Set st name equal to Anne. I want to set this student name as Anne. For which student? For the student whose name is now Ria. So whoever has the name as Ria in my table, change that name to Anne. So let's see, after the updation I am selecting the content from the student table and see there is no Ria, only Anne instead of Ria. So this is what the result of update command.